Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be talking about one of the magical oils we have, and that is black seed oil. Black seed oil has been used as a natural remedy for thousands of years. It has several health and beauty benefits. Scientifically, it is known as Nigella Sativa and is native to Eastern Europe and Western Asia. Let's talk about how the black seed oil can affect our skin. It is effective against the acne vulgaris. Acne is the small lesions that is formed on the skin due to the clogged hair follicles. According to one article review, those people who use the black seed oil on their lesions for 2 months have fever lesions later on. Black seed oil is also very effective against another skin condition known as psoriasis. Psoriasis is characterized by scaly red patches on the skin. Black seed oil, due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, has been widely used against psoriasis. One of the other skin condition known as vitiligo, that is the loss of pigmentation in the skin, black seed oil is found to be very effective against the vitiligo because naturally it spreads the melanin, the pigment in the skin and hair. Eczema is the other skin condition in which the person suffers the dry flaky skin, and the black seed oil is found to be very effective because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory nature. Black seed oil helps with the infection-prone skin and treats the eczema. However, the black seed oil is also very important to promote the wound healing. The chief active compound thymoquinone, because of its anti-inflammatory properties, treat the wounds on skin. It is widely popular among the men who suffers infertility. Those men who has low sperm count and abnormal sperms can use the black seed oil. The oil is known to reduce the abnormal sperm count, increases the sperm movement and increases the semen volume. Black seed oil is also known to support the weight loss. It decreases the body fats and cholesterol and is perfect for the people who desire to lose weight. Black seed oil naturally got equal beauty benefits. It nourishes our hair, adds the volume, shine, texture and strength to our hair. It is also one of the best choice to regrow hair and reduces the hair fall. It is also believed to soothe the dry scalp and get rid of the dandruff. One of the important health benefit of black seed oil is anti-cancer properties. It is involved in the programmed cell death in several kinds of the cancer like brain cancer, leukemia and breast cancer. Black seed oil, along with its several health benefits, also comes with the dangers and side effects. So using it in right quantity is very important. Black seed oil may interact with the certain conditions and medications, so it is important to take doctor's advice before using. Despite of its several benefits, it cannot replace the certain medications. It is important to use cautiously in pregnant and breastfeeding ladies. Using the black seed oil orally may cause the nausea, bloating, or also reduces the blood sugar level. Topically, it can cause the severe allergic reaction, so it is important to do a patch test before using the black seed oil regularly. Black seed oil is also known to reduce the clotting process, so those people who are already on medication may use the black seed oil cautiously because increasing the dose may increase the risk of bruising and bleeding. However, it is very important to use the black seed oil of good quality, that is 100% pure and of therapeutic grade. So this is it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.